Hello guys, this is Master. So today I'm going to teach you simple stuff about the data when you want to find the range, the median, the mean, and the interquartile range. So I'm going to use simple data. So let me start by writing those data. I will write them in black for now. We have, let's say, 10. All right, let's begin. We have 10. You have 3, let's say 36. This is just a random number that I'm choosing. You have 20, you have 22, you have 7, you have 12. So the first thing that I'm going to start with, we have to find the range, a range for this data. So to find a range, we have to arrange them from the smallest to the biggest. So if we check our data here from going there, let me use the red pen, you will see that the small number is 3, then it followed by 7, then it followed by, after 3 we have 3 and 7, then it followed by 10, then after 10 it followed by 12, after 12 we have 20, then after 20 we have 22, after 22 the last one is 36. So if we want to find the range, our range equals to highest, I will just say highest minus the lowest. So which means your range now, you're going to take 36 minus 3, which is going to be equals to 33. So you just calculated the range of this data. So now let's say you want to find the median. Okay, let me erase here first. Let's say we want to find the median. All right, I'm going to erase this side. Let me erase. I'm going to leave the red one, so I'm going to use a black one now. So for the median, I'm going to represent it as M. I will use it as M. So for median, which means our median is going to be the middle number in this range. So the first one you can do, you can find the position of a median. So to find the position of a median, you have to, how many data do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 data, you add 1, you divide by 2, then it's going to be 8 over 2, which is going to be 4, which means your fourth number is your median. Then we can calculate 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you check this number here, which is 12, you will find that every side here you have 1, 2, 3, and you also have the left hand side, you have 1, 2, 3, even the right hand side you 1, 2, 3. So which means your median is going to be equals to 12 for this data that we did. So we just solve the median number. So after we have talked about the range, we talked about the median. So I'm going to erase here. So now we're going to talk about the mean. The mean for this data, mean is the same as average. Mean in your calculator is called X bar, like this way. So mean is the total sum. We will say total sum. It's the total sum divided by total term. I will just say total term. So now our X bar, you're going to add all this number, which is going to be 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus all of them plus 36. You divide it by total number, which is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you do that, when you add them, you will find that these numbers, they are going to give us is 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 30, then 30 plus 40, 30 plus 40, okay, it's 10, 20 this side, and 40, it's 20 and 40, and we have 10 here, 42, and then 42, we have 20, we have 22 is going to be 66, 64, and we have 64 is gonna 70. Then total number is 100, which means you're gonna have 100 over 7. So 100 over 7 is going to be, you can use your calculator for 100 divided by 7. When you say 100 divide by 7, you're gonna get something like 14. 100 over 7, you're gonna get 14 point something, let's say 14.2, 14.286. So now you already have that. That's 14.2. We have talked about the range, we have talked about the mean, and then you can also, if you have a Casio calculator, I'm going to show you guys based on the question papers how to use your Casio calculator. So you can also use the mean, you can also use this method or use the Casio one when you calculate it. So let me erase. We have done, we have like did the mean. So we have to go to quantile range. So the quantile range, many of the students or many of the learners, they get confused about the quantile range. So let's get to quantile range, interquantile range. Interquantile range is equals to Q3 minus Q1. So we also have Q, this median here, we can represent it as a Q2. So if we have this number, when you find your interquantile, you come this side, is this one and this one, which means our Q1 is going to be this one and our Q3 is going to be that one. So it's 22 and 7 is Q1. So now when we calculate our interquantile range, it's going to be equals to 22 minus 7, which is going to give us, and 22 minus 7, which is going to give us 15. So that's your interquartile range. So how to calculate the standard deviation? For standard deviation, I'm going to show you the simple method using Casio. So just subscribe down, and then when you subscribe, follow this the videos. I'm going to put them in a playlist whereby it's going to come from the lowest, this one showing you to the calculator one, and then like that. So I'm going to be uploading many videos of mathematics in grade 10, 11 and 12. So just make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss. So we're going to be doing it in a very best way. This is just an introduction for today. Thank you.